Aspay Travel. Why? You know her?
Sayang.
Hindi maguna.
Ay, why are you one there? Your kids are Marites. No, that's not my kids as Spy Travels. That's my grandson. My grandson na. I am already old. Jay, you are Marites daw. Because he's watching movie. And every time he sees something kuan, something kuan, he is asking his kuan, lolo. His lolo. His my kuan, my brother. Sounds like daycare there. Yes, 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 Paul Madsen. He's still in the kindergarten, but this coming school year, he will become he will be in grade 1. He will be in grade 1. Hey, you are Marites. Do you know Marites, as my travels? Wow, sana all. GDI drone travel. It's 20 minutes. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching. Welcome po dito sa ating live. Marites. Oops. Oops, why oops? Why oops? La 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 la. Of
Okay,
course
whale.
po.
Whale. Malainok na.
Luis da Fortura. Abarata como A2. The cactus eat your cake with flour and couscous.
Dolphin man itong siya.
Oy, what happened, Luis? Why is it that the cockroach eating the cake? Two. Hello, Imo Omot Karkar. Hi. Hi, Imo Omot. Shout out. Thank you so much for coming here again. The text got stuck and type new text into it. Okay. Okay, no problem, Apple. Apple travels. Apple kuno aspay. Aspay travel. I'm not sure what happened to my kuan reading skills. Reading skills. Agoy, my love shout out. Thank you so much everyone for coming. Okay, the cash is at 8 the cake couscous. Okay, so the cockroach is eating your cake. Luis de Fora. Hey, hello Sri Radha Rani. All in one mega love shout out. How are you, my friend? I'm also good, my friend. Oh, Bolo, how are you? The cake was yours, but it's not the cockroach. Okay, Luis de Fortura. The cake is in the fridge, but no cockroach can enter the fridge. Grade 1, engineer boy is loud. Yes, he wants to be an engineer. B. Your voice is so loud. What's that? Please watch my new upload, my friend. Okay, you can drop your link there. Still watching your video, ha, Aspy Travel. You're still in the Kuan. Whiskey distillery. Oldest reborn whiskey distillery. Okay, that's nice. Okay, shout out sa mga nandyan. Good evening. Ha?